Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to introduce the TOPDON RLink X7, a powerful J2534 and D-PDU pass-through device designed for diagnostics, coding, and programming. This device supports many OEM software platforms and works with a wide range of vehicle brands. And in this video, I'll do some quick tests with a few different vehicles to check the connection, communication, stability, and overall performance. Before testing it directly on the vehicles, let's take a quick look at the main features of the TOPDON RLink X7. This device supports J2534 D-PDU, CAN-FD, and DoIP protocols, allowing it to work with many OEM, diagnostic, and programming software platforms. It can be used for diagnostics, coding, ECU programming, flashing, and advanced vehicle communication. The device is compact, easy to set up, and designed for both newer and older vehicle platforms. Another useful feature is the RLink platform, where you can manage drivers and install only the brands you actually need. Now let's connect the RLink X7 to the vehicle and check how stable the communication is. First, let's test with Mercedes Xentry. You need to connect the vehicle to the device and the computer. Then, I'll perform a diagnostic scan and test the vehicle reading speed using Mercedes Xentry. I'll also put a timer on the screen so you can see the actual communication speed of the TOPDON RLink 7 on Mercedes vehicles. Of course, the speed cannot be compared with much more expensive interfaces. But based on my personal experience, if you work with multiple vehicle brands and need a cost-effective solution that still delivers, the device can communicate with multiple control units on the vehicle and allows you to perform diagnostics, read and clear fault codes, view live data, coding, and programming functions. It also supports newer Mercedes platforms that use DoIP communication. Next is BMW with ISTA. The RLink X7 works well as a J2534 interface for BMW Diagnostics and programming. Connection speed is fast, and the setup process is quite simple using the RLink Platform Driver Manager. And now, Porsche with PIWIS. Communication is stable and responsive during testing. For workshops working with multiple brands, this is a very convenient solution instead of buying separate interfaces for each manufacturer. If you need support with setup, OEM, software configuration, or choosing the correct driver package, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. We are also an official TOPDON distributor and can provide special pricing and support for this product. I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive diagnostic and programming content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.